Okay, so my name is Luke Harry, and I'll be talking about plastic bags. So about 365 plastic bags are used per year by a single family in the U.S. and only 4 in Denmark. And this is because Denmark has worked extremely hard to reduce the amount of plastic bags being used. So we need to banish plastic bags from use in retail stores and basically anywhere because all they do is cause harm. I have done lots of research on this, and I also encounter plastic bags weekly by going to the grocery store and seeing them scattered along the countryside. So firstly, I will discuss pollution, and then I'll describe how it harms wildlife, and then lastly I'll describe how it affects climate change. We need to ban plastic bags because they increase the rate of pollution. And in a 2014 article titled "The Bad Boy of Pollution," the World Count staff wrote that plastic bags, which are made of polyethylene, causes pollution all its life, from manufacturing to disposal. This is because when it is being disposed of, people just throw it anywhere and they only use it once. They don't continue to use them or save them. And when they're being produced, oil is being burned, which releases carbon into the atmosphere, and also oil goes into the plastic bag that is being made. Plus, in a 2014 article titled "What's the Problem with Plastic Bags?" the World Count staff wrote that the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, which is a floating landfill of garbage in the Pacific Ocean, is the size of which is almost twice the size of Texas, is mostly composed of plastic. And if we stop using plastic bags, this will lessen the amount of plastic in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, and will also halt the growth of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. So besides pollution, marine life is also harmed, and in a 2014 article titled "What's Wrong with Plastic Bags?" the World Count staff said in 2008 a sperm whale was found beached in California. It died due to more than 22 kilos of plastic being found in its stomach, and this is because a lot of them mistake it for food, and they eventually die because of this plastic, like this turtle who is either attempting to eat the plastic bag or do something else with it. And so also, as stated by Natasha Daly in a 2018 magazine titled "Planet or Plastic," seabirds expending energy with their malnourished bodies don't have don't have the energy to roam farther in search of real food, but they do just to find food for their young, but they end up bringing back plastic to their young. And this is because of a diminishing supply of food, because of all these animals that die from the pollution in plastic bags. So wildlife isn't the only thing that is being harmed, it is also humans through climate change. And in a 2017 article titled "The Environmental Toll of Plastics," Douglas Fisher wrote, around 4% of the world oil production is used as feedstock to make plastics, and a similar amount is consumed as energy in the process. So the use of energy in burning for energy for the plant, and also use in making the plastic bag, is causing harm. And then also in a 2018 article titled "Plastic Pollution," writer Shannon Waters stated that this month a team of researchers for the University of Hawaii published a groundbreaking study revealing that plastic, when exposed to other elements, releases methane and ethylene, and these two gases that are produced are some of the leading greenhouse gases. And these plastics that are exposed to these elements includes plastic bags, which in turn quickens the process of climate change. So I first talked about pollution, and then I described marine life, and then talked about how it affects climate change. So we need to banish plastic bags to halt all these things from happening and get them out of retail stores because of all the harm they're doing, like to this dolphin right here. So thank you for listening.